Before I continue with the chrome trim on this thing, trying to get it all off of there, I tried to pull this out of the driveway and I had the inner wheel well catch, and it actually flipped right up, popped up here. I had to actually slam it back into place. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this tire the other way, and I'm going to zip wheel a little corner section off of here. Good enough, doesn't have to be perfect. I was going to continue removing all the chrome trim on this thing. It's been about a week. I had it in the shop because the rear door had an issue. While they were in there, because of all this rust, it's kind of hard to see, but I had them reinforce this a little bit so that I can actually reuse this trim and actually throw fender flares on here short term. Problem being, I need to try and very carefully with a grinder try and cut this off without hitting my box as much as I can so that I can remove the rest of this chrome trim without an issue. So let's see how this goes and see if I really mess this up or if it turns out not half bad. I mean, considering the box is getting trashed anyway, is not a big deal, but I'm looking forward to getting all this chrome trim off. It's going to be nice. That should do, I think. I have yet to get it cleaned up and I still have the very tail end to do, but this is why I say do not put this chrome trim on. Kind of hard to see here, but it's starting to bubble, starting to rust around the wheel well. It just traps everything in there. Along here isn't too bad. Those guys were really easy to take off. Along here wasn't too bad until you get to here and you got two pieces of paint that ripped right off. And then right back here, that was completely hidden. You could see a little bit of rust from the back, but not much. But that little chrome cap was covering all of that. And same with right here. Ripped off a lot of paint. And that's what ended up happening with this wheel well. It traps all that salt, all that moisture, and just wreaks havoc. But this fender looked like the other one. It looked fine until I took that trim off. And then it just fell right apart. So I would highly advise, if you have this chrome trim on your truck, get rid of it. Terrible. much left of that, was there? There she is, all debadged and de-chromed. Saved you watching me clean it up. Took a long time, but cleaned it up and threw a little layer of bed liner on it. But I think it looks a lot better than having all that chrome all over the place.